This podcast is sponsored by buybiz.io. Discover premium AI-driven online businesses for sale, perfect for standalone growth or seamless integration. Explore now at buybiz.io to kickstart your digital success.
Trust me, once you try creating your own personalized book or learning path, you'll see how much easier and enjoyable learning can be. Discover how peer-to-peer lending can make buying a business simpler and more flexible, with options like Archieboy Holdings AI-Based Businesses. How peer-to-peer lending can help you buy a business. Hey, so I want to talk about something pretty cool today, peer-to-peer lending, and how it can actually make buying a business way more accessible than you might think. If you've ever dreamed of owning a business but got stuck on how to finance it, peer-to-peer lending might be the game changer you didn't know about. Alright, first things first, what exactly is peer-to-peer lending? Imagine you want to buy a business but don't want to go through the traditional bank route for a loan. Instead, with peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending, you borrow money directly from individuals or investors who are willing to lend their money, usually through an online platform. It's basically cutting out the middleman, the bank, and connecting borrowers and lenders directly. Here's why that's a pretty big deal. Flexibility. Banks have strict rules and long approval times. P2P platforms tend to be much quicker and more flexible with who they lend to. Accessibility. You don't always need an ironclad credit score. Some P2P lenders look at your overall potential and the business plan, not just your credit history. Multiple options. On these platforms, you can receive funding from several different people, spreading the risk around for them and you. So how would this work if you're actually looking to buy a business? Find the right business. You want to locate a business that fits your budget, skills, and interests. If you're into something tech-savvy, check out options like Archieboy Holdings AI-Based Businesses for sale, which has some cool tech-driven companies ready to take over. Create a strong proposal. When you go for peer-to-peer lending, you have to show you know what you're doing. This means putting together a good business plan and showing how you'll repay the loan. Apply through a P2P lending platform. There are tons of platforms out there, some well-known names like Lending Club or Prosper, and newer niche ones too. Submit your application, and if approved, you'll get matched with investors. Close the deal and take over. Once you get your financing, you can move forward in purchasing the business. The beauty is, you often get better terms or flexibility compared to a bank loan, helping you manage cash flow as you get started. What's really inspiring about peer-to-peer lending is how it democratizes purchasing a business. You don't have to be a millionaire or have perfect credit to raise the capital necessary. Plus, some lenders actually want to support entrepreneurs with niche ideas or innovative businesses. If you want to see what's out there and maybe get inspired, I strongly recommend checking out the listings at Archieboy Holdings AI-Based Businesses for sale. They offer a variety of AI-driven business opportunities, perfect for someone looking to jump into a cutting-edge industry. Whether you're a first-time buyer or someone seeking to expand your portfolio, exploring these listings gives you real-world examples of businesses that could be funded through peer-to-peer loans. To wrap it up, peer-to-peer lending is a fantastic alternative financing option that could open doors for you if buying a business feels out of reach. It's more personal, often faster, and sometimes less intimidating than traditional bank loans. So if you're serious about owning a business, check out the P2P lending platforms and start browsing business listings like those at Archieboy Holdings AI-Based Businesses for sale. Explore our listings today. Who knows, you might find that perfect business opportunity just waiting for you, with the financing to match. Thanks for hanging out and getting into this topic with me. Hope it's given you some fresh ideas and confidence on how to buy a business without the usual hurdles. Catch you next time.